We have been associated with Knauf from a long time. We can proudly say that they have the large range of excellent and environment-friendly products and for false ceilings in their range. Talking about the environmental day, all our cities are getting polluted, hot, microclimate is changing. Why don't we create a large number of urban forests in the cities?
So yes, I agree that we should reuse these materials which is more sustainable to the environment, and sustainability start from our own. If we think like this, then we will be able to actually contribute to the environment and world.
Sustainable interior design is environmentally conscious with emphasis on recycled materials. Interior designers have a tremendous impact on the sustainability of the environment because they are the ones who decide with the materials and the products which will be and how ecologically people will able to interact with the surrounding spaces.
The two most important parameters for interior spaces is fire resistance and acoustic. And I think Hera Design meets both the parameters perfectly.
I think it's a very good initiative that they have started. Talking about sustainability, I think it's a very need of the hour kind of situation, and regardless of having that in the later materials, we should keep it in the formal construction phases of a project.
We should make every effort to save this planet Earth, and it is not in only displaying that we are talking about sustainability. It is actually in achieving it on the ground.
I think we need to maintain and sustain our planet. It's my responsibility, it's your responsibility. And we all should join together to make this happen.